6in1 functionality: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat. EvenCrisp technology: advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs: customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating: little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with a versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup: non-stick, dishwasher-safe air-fry basket and tray. Compact design: stainless steel accents, perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. Proven safety features: built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off and more to keep your mind at ease. A kitchen must-have. Perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Great addition to any kitchen, perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Top reviews from the United States. A lot of reviews: people complain about a toxic chemical plastic rubber smell that does not go away. The owner's manual mentions that this may occur but is non-toxic, yet no one wants that smell in their house or on their food. Another review mentioned to remove the rubber shipping legs from the tray grate before using. These appear to be food-grade silicone, but I removed them anyways and have had no bad smells during the initial test run or 2 dishes I've cooked so far. This is a great little air fryer. Remove these things and you'll be happy.